Hi everyone, the video you're about to watch was filmed a while ago and I was too hesitant to upload it because I was nervous that we wouldn't complete on the property, but that's where you say we're now completed on the property.
Completion. Yeah, completed, that's it, complete the levels, completion, completed it, completed it.
Anyway, so as you watch the video, we're really hesitant that this house is even going to happen, and that's why I didn't upload it, but here you are, here's the video. We have now got the keys, yay.
Here's the fake keys.
Here's the fake keys, and the refurb will be beginning as of next week, so it's very exciting. We'll share the plans with you as soon as we can.
Cool.
Do you want the fan on?
Yeah.
You want it on? Okay.
Yeah, a bit hot.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Couple. We're here to give you a little update.
It's been a while since I've had my mug on the photo. on the camera.
My mug on the photo.
You know when people say like, oh, yeah, do you look after the internet? Just like, you know, what are you talking about? Anyway,
welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since you've been here. So we're back to give you a little bit of an update and tell you where we're at, because it is currently the 16th of August. So by the time you watch this, it will probably be end of August, maybe early September.
And hopefully we'll have the keys and we'll be starting to work on this project. So I just thought it would be fun to walk you through the footage we got when we originally saw this house and run you through it and just try and bring our original thoughts back to what we thought when we were going through it. And it was obviously in a period where obviously you've got COVID and stuff, so we've got our hand coverings and our face coverings.
We're all geared up. It was a maximum of 2 of us viewing it, so there was no agent, no estate agent, no realtor, anything like that, just us and the vendor. Who
currently actually still lives there.
Yeah. So the history with this one is that the buyer that was meant to buy it pulled out at the very last minute and left the lady who owns it in a really terrible situation. So she was super negative when we walked in, because obviously she's just expecting another one to just drop her in the again and just not buy the property. We reassured her that we're like gonna buy it, and obviously now it's going through with solicitors and it's like 90% there. So let's have a little look around. I'm gonna blur out everyone's faces, by the way, like, well, maybe not yours or mine.
Mine and the vendors, because no one wants to see mine, and the vendors' privacy, you know?
Yeah, my face isn't in it because I was filming. Okay, here we go. So the outside, bit of an overkept garden there. Overkept, is that the right word?
Unkept.
Unkept. Overgrown.
That old pebble dash, I remember when I saw that old pebble dash, just reminds me of my old grandparents' house. So old school. The
pebble dash brick.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
I love the way you wipe your feet here, it's amazing.
Just out of respect.
First room we walk into here is, I think, her original living room. I remember thinking when we walked in here, wow, like surely she can't live here. But it's because she was 4 days apparently away from moving. Yeah. All this stuff is just like, it looks like she doesn't live here.
Yeah, so it's all boxed up, as you can see, just bits and bobs everywhere. So she was about to move, but the chain had been broken because someone didn't buy hers. So we were just having a bit of a conversation with her at the time about what happened and how, you know, as soon as our survey comes back, we're like good to go if everything comes back and there's no serious issues with this property. Since then, it has come back and there are no issues, really, only minor ones that we need to look at. We've got the little curtain above the door there, look, just go back. What is the purpose of that?
Because, you know, there's a piece of glass there, so you just want to keep the light out. Although it keeps 0 light out.
Yeah.
The keys hanging on the wall is actually a good idea.
Yeah, I know. That's something I would need, yeah. But we're not living here, remember? This is going to be a buy-to-let.
We're going to completely transform this. I'm looking forward to actually taking people on a journey through the refurb.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun.
It'll be an experience for me and you.
Yeah.
For us both. Like, I can't see it in my head yet.
I can kind of see it, but I don't think we quite know what we're in for in terms of the amount of work it's going to take to refurb this whole place. Little bit of a shot under the stairs there.
Brilliant.
No reason.
This is the second living room. A lot of houses in this area, a lot of terrace houses have this kind of dual reception room style.
Again, just more of her stuff.
All of her stuff just there.
Completely new doors, by the way, we're hoping for. Well, we are going to be doing, because these are all, you know, just everything's a bit old, a bit dated, a bit tired. Just needs a total uplift. And then we're coming out now. Sorry, go ahead.
No, we're going to change the structure of the inside, I think. Kitchen just needs completely updating.
Yeah.
That's got to be a new kitchen.
I don't know.
Look at that afro there.
I can't remember that was probably like April time and your afro was huge. Or maybe it was May, and yeah, you hadn't had a haircut in so long. You know what, when you're walking around these properties, obviously I've muted it so you can't hear our conversation with the vendor, but sometimes you know in your head that everything needs changing, but of course you're just really respectful anyway. Always ask them if it's a shoes off house or a shoes on house, even if you can't bear to think of walking around this house barefoot.
This was a little outbuilding that I don't know the reason why they created it, because it looks pretty derelict.
Yeah.
But it was an addition to the house that they made later on after purchasing. A lot of these houses back in the day used to have the toilets outside, like further down. So I think a lot of them potentially used to be the toilets potentially, and they've kind of joined it to the house. I don't know exactly, don't quote me on that, but this is a bit of a wasted space, really.
Yeah, you're gonna basically see in the future what we turn that bit into when the drawings are all done up.
But like you said, I remember just being really respectful here to the vendor, because it's her house.
Yeah.
She lives there, it's her home. I can't remember how long it was her home for, and you can't really go around and say
that's going.
That's rubbish, that's, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
I remember she was trying to show us like a shed at the bottom of the garden, and I'll be honest, I literally wasn't interested. I was like, it's a shed.
It was me walking towards the shed, and then she was saying like, don't worry, you can go on the grass, don't worry. And I was like, oh, okay. I didn't obviously go in the shed, but
garden's quite overgrown.
Who knows what we'll find in there. Yeah, we're gonna actually need to do quite a lot to the garden to make it look really presentable, make it look like the kind of place someone wants to live. When you live in shared housing, no one really wants to look after the garden, so it needs to be as low maintenance as possible.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're back in the living room, number 2.
That was the old fireplace.
Yeah.
Oh, going upstairs here, look, I fall here, watch.
I didn't get it on camera, but you do.
There, I fall because I grabbed onto the handrail and it comes out the wall. It's amazing. It's like an absolute hazard.
So he's holding onto the rail.
It's an absolute hazard.
It fell and then he fell.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the main bedroom, isn't it? It's quite a decent size.
It's really big. I remember walking into that cupboard.
I remember having so much like damp.
Yeah.
And mould.
Yeah, it was very damp. It needs full damp proofing.
Yeah.
That's a little attic there. You can get to it via the wardrobe.
And again, like, you could tell she was so ready to move out.
Sleeping on a mattress on the floor.
Yeah, this was the second bedroom, which was a decent size as well. And I think she said that her son was using this as like a living room.
Yeah.
Because he'd moved back in or something in COVID, and he was using this as like his little living room.
So as you can see, they've got rid of all of their furniture, and then you've just got these 2 little like camp chairs here that they were using as a living room. And yeah, it's really sad actually when the chain breaks like that.
Did feel sad, yeah. Bless her.
Oh no. I can't remember what.
She's a really nice lady, she was.
Yeah.
Is.
She is still here, isn't she? Yeah. As you can see, we're all keeping a safe distance, which is very nice. Apart from me walking forward with the camera, trying to get some sort of shot. What on earth am I shooting at here? I think I was talking, and then the camera was just in my hand, and I forgot it was recording. Yeah, I was just trying to get like the shape of the room.
This was, I reckon, the smallest bedroom in the entire universe.
Oh my god!
Remember that?
Yeah.
Her son was sleeping in this room. This what genuinely, like, the camera makes it look like a triple ensuite bedroom. Like it's tiny, genuinely.
Oh god.
Bless him.
That was really small. Like, it just about fits a single, as you can see on the floor, but I'm
really excited to see when we get the builders in, we start to refurb. Like, the whole house is just going to look completely different.
Yeah.
We'll try and do a side-by-side comparison, maybe.
That would be cool.
Very like Nordic look with all the wood and the amazing little jacuzzi there that hasn't been used since 1305.
I just remember me and you being like, jacuzzi.
Yeah, we're like, oh, we've got a jacuzzi, very fancy.
It was so awkward.
I remember not touching then the, look, I had to like hold the roof because I didn't want to touch the railing because it came off last time.
Oh, I think I just pressed it to see what it felt like. I wondered what you were feeling.
You're amazing. I was just trying to make sure I didn't fall down the stairs.
Yeah.
And myself.
So, just going back to upstairs, it's likely that we're going to be moving the bathroom downstairs because that's quite a normal thing for this area of the country to have bathrooms downstairs, and then making that third bedroom a bigger space by like cutting by knocking down the wall that connects the bathroom to that small bedroom. So that's likely what's going to happen up there, but obviously all will be confirmed in future videos when we do the refurb and stuff like that.
At this point now,
yeah,
I was like ready to leave. And
okay.
Leah just kept on talking and kept on asking questions, and I'm like, I need to get out. Like, I'm about to like breathe in more asbestos and like.
It doesn't have asbestos,
no,
by the way.
I know.
But good joke.
I was like ready to leave at this point, and the vendor was just.
She was just chatting to us, and like obviously she's gone through a really hard time, so I was happy to chat. Because I'm a chatty person, you were so ready to go.
I've seen what I need to see now. Thank you very much.
I was just like trying to offer a little bit of reassurance, you know, saying that the house that we were going to be buying, it was still going through probate, so we wanted to put this money into this project and go ahead with this. I was trying to offer a little bit of reassurance here. Yeah, then we eventually left. The video has stopped now, so I'll just close my laptop screen. But that's
the first look of the house that we're hoping to have completed in by the time next time we do a video.
Yeah. So also it's so much smaller than the first house you guys will have seen.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, massively smaller than that house. It's completely different.
Yeah, and also it's way cheaper. You know, the other house was a detached house, more bedrooms, and we were actually really happy that for our first project it's a bit smaller than that massive refurb, because
yeah, I think potentially we'd have bitten off more than we could chew with that one. Our coach said to us, didn't he, that because you don't have potentially many deals on the table, you might be getting more emotionally attached to that first one. So I think it's just a learning curve for us. We're trying to sort of now take, it sounds bad, but take a bit more of the emotion out of it, and
which is easy for you, someone with not many emotions. Kidding.
But yeah, no, it's exciting, and I think I can't wait to like get in there, start the refurb, start showing you guys actually what it's going to look like, and just showing you essentially what we're going to create. Yeah,
it's going to be really exciting, and I think we're going to learn a lot. Obviously we've got a bit of a team around us, project manager, build team, that all know what they're doing. So this one's going to be, you know, I'm not going to say easy, but we're going to be learning from people who kind of know what they're doing and have done this many times before. So we're not going to be like trying to do like electrics by ourselves or anything. If anyone's thinking that we're going to be teaching ourselves how to fit a bathroom, we're not.
We're doing the whole thing. We're building it, refurbing it.
We're living in it.
Electrician, plumber. We're going to be renting it to ourselves. We're going to be the tenants.
We're our own tenants and landlords. And
no, it's exciting times. And the moment we get the keys,
yeah,
we'll do another update.
So the last thing on that is that our solicitor has got 2 unanswered questions from the vendor's solicitor. So as soon as those questions are answered, we're good to go and ready to complete. So we're aiming for end of August. Please keep our fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
And then how long's the build?
6 to 12 weeks.
So yeah, 6 to 12 weeks.
Ask me that again.
So how long's the build?
8 to 12 weeks.
Okay, so 3 months of refurbing, maybe longer, who knows what's going to happen, and then hopefully get it on the market and tenanted by hopefully before Christmas. Hopefully, guys, because if you can get people to move in before Christmas, then I think that's not the best time.
It's not the most ideal time. But
January maybe, because people are like, new change, break up, I'm going to move house.
New year, new me.
Yeah, so that's the idea. That's the update. Hope you've enjoyed it, guys. You enjoyed being back on screen?
I have.
Yeah, it's been nice to have you here, actually.
like I'm like a floating guest, not like I live here or anything.
No, I mean, it's always more fun when we're together in the videos, because I've been doing a few videos on my own on this channel, and
yeah, you've been doing great.
Gosh, they're boring. They're really boring, guys. I just need my funnier half. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget you can follow us over on Instagram at Property Couple UK. Where else are we? Just here and there.
Just YouTube and Instagram.
Yeah, I think that's about as much as what we can cope with, to be honest. And we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
See ya.